Ready to ditch that expensive Apple Pencil and unleash the power of your Samsung S Pen on your iPad? Sadly, out-of-the-box compatibility isn't a thing, but I have some bad news. You can't directly connect the Samsung S Pen to your iPad for writing or drawing. They use different technologies. Samsung S Pen relies on Wacom technology, while Apple Pencil uses its own proprietary technology. The S Pen utilizes Wacom's EMR electromagnetic resonance technology, which requires a special digitizer built into the screen, and Apple Pencil uses Bluetooth, which is how they communicate with their respective devices. They're just not designed to talk to each other. Trying to use the S Pen directly on the iPad screen will result in no response. The iPad screen simply isn't built to recognize the S Pen signals. Unfortunately, there is no way to connect a Samsung Pencil to an Apple iPad, but if you are looking for some alternatives, I suggest looking for a third-party pencil. You can purchase third-party stylus options that are compatible with iPad. These styluses use different technologies to interact with the iPad screen. Or you can embrace the Apple ecosystem fully. You can invest in the Apple Pencil, and will ensure seamless integration and optimal performance with your iPad. So while a direct connection isn't possible, hopefully, you understand your options. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips and tricks.